Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a unboxing slash first impressions for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I literally just got it in the mail. Try not to show my address. It's in this box, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so I ordered, well, my boyfriend got it for me because he said I deserve it because I've been working so hard. But so he got it from Spectrum. So this is what you see when you first open the box. It comes with a Spectrum mobile activation starter kit right here. A little letter with the receipt, I think. I got the Aurora Glow one, and it's 256 gigabytes. It comes with the SIM card and the phone, and it comes nicely packaged. Oh my god, this box has some weight to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The box. Nice, nice. It has a nice little sticker here that shows that it's sealed. And the sticker says, do not accept if seal is broken. So, pop that bad boy off. On the top, I believe that is like instructions or something. So you just pull that out from the top, and it comes with that like SIM card tool. I think it's called like a SIM extraction tool. And then inside there's like instructions and stuff that I'm not gonna look at right now. I just want to turn the phone on and have it in my hand and see what it feels like. I can't do nothing because I'm gonna wait for my boyfriend to come home and set it up. But here is the actual phone. Okay, so here is the actual phone. I gotta hold it so it doesn't fall out. So I'm just gonna take it out now. And look at the back. It's so freaking reflective and beautiful. I'm not even gonna take the stickers off. I'm gonna wait for him to come home so I can do all that good stuff. But it is beautiful. I already ordered a case, and it's 1-day shipping from Amazon. I will insert a picture right here of the case that I ordered. Super cute. It's $18.95 with tax and everything. Came out to like 20 bucks and 50 cents. So under the phone is this stuff, which is the headphones that it comes with right here, and then the charger, like wall input. And then I'm pretty sure under it is the wire. Yes, under it is the wire, which I'm not going to take out. But yeah, let's see what it looks like when I turn it on. It's so weird because right now what I'm recording on is the Note 8, and the power button is on this side, and they removed it and put it on this side. So we're just gonna long press that, turn it on. Oh, this phone is gorgeous. I'm not sure. My boyfriend has a Note 8. Maybe I can try to get a comparison between this one and that one, but this just feels so nice in the hands. I'm super uber excited. Also, I heard the like camera quality is super good. I've been watching.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay. So I'm just going to set it up right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I set it up. Hopefully I don't need the SIM card because I'm not doing that part until my boyfriend gets home. So let's jump over to the phone screen. Oh, hey guys, that's me. Look at my Note 8.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Nobody ever reads this stuff, so I'm just gonna do that.
You may need more help to activate your device. You can still connect to a network through Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
So I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi, which is Hertz 1IP. Funny story, my boyfriend looked up like funny Wi-Fi names, and he decided to choose that one. So yeah, it's supposed to be like a pun or something, like IP address. So Hertz 1IP, get it? Okay, so I'm gonna enter my password. Okay, so I connected to the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to hit next.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
So I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, so I did the smart switch on my current phone, which is why you couldn't why I stopped recording. But this is what it says next. It says checking for updates. So I'm going to enter my email. Okay, so I added my email and it says this, how it works, you're in control. Yada, 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 checking info, getting account info. It says choose a backup to restore. I don't know if I'm supposed to press that, but I am. Apps, contacts, call history, device settings, SMS, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to press yes to all of that. And it says you can continue setting it up. Just a second. So it says protect your phone. How do I want to do this? I definitely want to do the fingerprints thing, which I'm so happy because, as you guys know, I wear long nails, and instead of the fingerprints being on the back, which you can see they removed, it's going to be somewhere around here, which is great. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a pin for backup. Okay, so I'm going to set up my fingerprint now. You basically have to keep lifting your finger so you could get a good, fingerprint. So I'm going to add that thumb, and then I'm going to add this thumb as well. Okay, so I got my two thumbs. So it's just a second. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, accept. So it says adding finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. And I won't be able to use it because my boyfriend has to set up the SIM card and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to set it up and start playing around with it a bit. So, yeah. And I'm most likely going to do a what's on my iPhone after I get my phone case. But I'm like super stoked about the back. Like, how cool is that? Oh my god, it's like a freaking mirror. Hi guys, there's me. Like right there. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't think I'll ever want another phone after this. Okay, so I'm gonna come back when this is done doing whatever it's doing. Okay, so it's done doing whatever it was doing. They're trying to recommend me some apps. So let's see. Pocket Geek, Spectrum TV, Spectrum mobile account, my Spectrum.
Log into a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
I'm gonna skip this. Oh no, wait. I'm just gonna use my, I'm gonna continue with my Google account. Sure, why not?
All right, we're all set.
Wow, it even transferred my current wallpaper. Like, that is dope. Let's see, does it have all my apps? It has TikTok, Spotify, my Facebook pages, my PixArt. It didn't get all my apps because I do have some games that's missing. And yeah. So this is just a quick little clip of me recording a video on the Galaxy S10. And sis, this is the like on-screen camera. This is not the rear camera, which is ridiculous. Like, this is 10 times better than the camera on my freaking Note 8. Do I even need an actual camera? But yeah, I'm gonna insert this in the other video, which you're probably watching it. Okay, just look at the camera quality. Then I'm gonna do another one with the rear camera. So okay, so this is the front camera, or like the rear facing camera, and this is live focus. So let's see if it focuses on something when I put it in front of the camera. Let's see. Wow, that's nice. Ooh, I'm so in love. Okay, so yeah, camera quality is bomb. Okay, so this is the rear facing camera still without live focus, and it still looks amazing. I love the quality. It still does focus on stuff if I put it in the camera. See? So yeah, super excited about this. I love everything about this phone so far. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video about the phone, which is going to be what's on my iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I can't wait to start filming videos and taking pics for my Instagram, which I will leave linked down below and also somewhere right here on the screen. So yeah, check out my Instagram. I've been trying to stay up to date and posting pictures, beauty related. I have 2 Instagrams. I would try to leave both of them linked down below, one for my nails and then more for beauty related stuff. So yeah, that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!